Unlike major scales, chromatic scales must include some letter names more than once. Key concept. A half step spelled D sharp is a chromatic half step. The same letter name plus a chromatic alteration. A half step spelled D E flat is a diatonic half step. Different letter names for adjacent pitches in a diatonic scale. Chromatic scales may be notated in one of two ways, depending on the context. When no key is specified or the key is unclear, simply raise notes when ascending and lower them when descending, as in example. Two ways to notate chromatic scales. A. Sharps ascending, flats descending, when the key context is unclear. B. In the context of a B major scale, represented in whole notes. Part B shows the chromatic scale spelled in the context of a B flat major scale. If a key is specified, first write the underlying major scale in whole notes, then fill in each whole step with a chromatic half step. Raise the scale degrees with sharp or natural going up, and lower them with flat or natural going down. This results in a scale with mixed accidentals, and additional solfège syllables, but a clear underlying tonal context. It is important to pay careful attention to how you spell scales and other musical elements. In practical terms, the correct spelling makes a score easier to sight read. Once you are used to the look and feel of a particular key, unusual spellings can be distracting or confusing. Spelling anything incorrectly, even if the spelling sounds the same, changes its musical meaning. Thank you for watching our YouTube video lesson on spelling chromatic scales. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful in expanding your knowledge of music theory, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future lessons, tutorials, and musical insights. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos, ensuring that you never miss out on valuable educational content. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating high-quality lessons for aspiring musicians like yourself. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting musical content in the future. Keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of music. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more enriching lessons. See you soon.